gang, Four-Eyed Piper here. It's the end of our first day up here at Lake Ontario. We got up here a little bit later in the day. We didn't do any fishing today. Took a little look around. The wind is blowing, as you can probably hear it. The waves are crazy right now, so we really couldn't fish right into the lake. Took a walk down to the stream, and there is a ton of fish down there, so we're really excited. Hopefully we'll be able to get some footage over the next couple of days of Christy or myself getting into some good fishing. But I just wanted to share this with you. This is my view. Beautiful, beautiful place up here. It's like being at the ocean because the lake is so big. And if you just kept going this way, you'd hit Canada. So to my Canuck friends, I'm pretty close, brother. Smoking my, I think it's a Marcus, with a little bit of fragrant matured cake by McClelland that I got from my buddy Gamecock Piper. So beautiful night. We're just hanging in. Just had a really nice meal. Had a little prime rib. Nothing better than a pipe after dinner. And with this beautiful vista, who could blame me for being out here? So more to come, and we will see you soon. All right. Good night, Pipers. Hey YouTube, day 2 of our fishing trip today. I just wanted to show you the river. It's absolutely gorgeous out here right now. And as you can see, beautiful fall day. A lot of cool stuff going on. And over here is the Pipe Widow, doing a little fishing in the background. We haven't caught anything yet, but we've hooked up a couple of times. We had a big rainstorm come through, and we toughed it out, and now it's absolutely gorgeous out here. So gonna enjoy our day, and hopefully get a little footage of some fish for you to see. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon.
There you go. Keep up underneath. Keep underneath up. I'll leave them in that.
Hey YouTube, day 1 of fishing still. Out here on the pier in Point Breeze, Lake Ontario. We caught a couple of fish earlier today, but unfortunately I was unable to get good footage of them. But right now you can see the Pipe Widow and I are doing a little pier fishing. See if we can get into some salmon or some browns or steelhead, something like that. Down at the end of the pier here is my dad and my little brother. They came up to visit us today. And we have a really beautiful night right now on the pier. Just want to show you kind of what we're seeing here. It's like being at the ocean. Very cool. All right, we'll check in with you a little bit later. fish that I just caught. Trying not to stress it out too much. I'm not going to keep her, but this is a really nice steelhead. And there you go. Actually, it's a male.
Oh yeah.
It's a nice fish. So just wanted to show you guys real quick what it looks like. Now I'm going to let it go. I'm about to recover for a second here. Fish.
Hey guys, just showing you the steelhead that Zach just caught, just kind of recovering here on the side of the river. Just want to show you how they kind of sit in there, and they definitely fight, especially when they're this fresh, but that one's probably just going to chill a little bit now and recover and live to fight another day. So you can see them just flashing in the water there. They're really pretty fish. Kind of lose them in the light here, but really pretty. So.
Hi guys. Finishing up our last night here at the cottage. Been a great weekend. Caught all sorts of fish. Finishing it off with a little bit of McClelland fragrant matured cake. And washing it down with my new favorite beverage. It's a little Death Wish coffee with some rum chata in there. It is absolutely delightful. I'm sure you guys can hear the waves crashing in the background. It's just absolutely amazing right here. Couldn't have asked for a better weekend. We had great weather. You know, there was a little bit of rain, but we welcomed it. It was absolutely nice, and we got some good fishing in. But more importantly, I got to spend some really good time with my wife, and we needed it. We needed a little bit of break from the day-to-day hustle and bustle, and we got it. If you guys are ever in western or northern New York State, let us know. We'll hook you up with some really nice places to go and stay. This will definitely be a destination that we come back to in the future, and maybe bring the kids to years to come. So I'm glad I was able to share a little bit of our fishing excursion and holiday weekend with you guys. I hope you guys had a great weekend too, and were able to disconnect a little bit from work and from life. I hope you enjoy a pipe, and I hope you enjoy a nice beverage, and we'll see you once we get back to reality. Until then, take care. We'll see you next time. To Hope Smikers. We're on our way home from our awesome fishing trip weekend. Actually heading over to Rochester, New York to check out a brick and mortar store there, see if they have any goodies for us. We had a lovely weekend, and as you can see out the window, the leaves are changing. We're just getting to peak right now for fall, and we couldn't have a better day to drive. It is raining, but we don't care. We just had a great weekend. We were relaxed, de-stressed, feeling good. So just wanted to share with you the last of our trip, and I will let you know how we make out at the tobacco shop. But thanks for joining us for our weekend getaway video, and we'll talk to you next time.